set up the tool for Windows, we need to download the Windows version of the tool by clicking here. And let's save it in downloads folder. Let's open it. So we can now copy the tool and put it anywhere we want. I'll put it in documents folder. I'll just create a new folder here, call it Arag, and we'll place it inside of this tool, inside of this folder. And now, just like on Linux, we need to add the path to the tool to our environment variables. To do that, we can right click on the PC icon and then open the properties. Here we scroll down and try to find the advanced system settings. In here we have this environment variables option, and on system variables section we find the path variable, and then we press edit, and at the end we can just create a new, or we can browse for the file. We select the browse option, and we can go where we stored the executable and select that folder, open the folder, and now it is added to our path. We just click OK here and here and here as well. Let's close this out, go back here, and let's try to use this tool to see if it's working. Let's open a PowerShell window here, and I will type tool name and we can see it also works here on Windows now.